Inle Lake, the second largest lake in Myanmar, is famed for its stilt houses, floating gardens, and the captivating sight of traditional fishermen at work. But what it's really like beyond the stunning photos we see on social media? Let's dive in and find out. While Instagram dazzles us with images of fishermen dressed in traditional attire against breathtaking sunsets, finding these iconic figures on the vast expanse of the lake can be a challenge. Fortunately, in today's tourist-driven world, you don't have to hunt them down yourself. Guided tours will lead you right to them. For a modest fee, local guides can help you capture those picture-perfect moments, even if you are not a professional photographer. However, the reality of daily life on the Inle Lake is less cinematic. The local fishermen aren't always waiting for that perfect light. They are busy with their daily routines, and you might only catch a fleeting glimpse of them as your boat passes by. Now, let's talk about those stilt houses. Concentrated mainly in the southern part of the lake, these unique structures are home to the Inta people, who settled here in the 14th century after fleeing from northern Burma. Due to the local Shan people's laws, they were unable to settle on the land, so they crafted their lives above the water. Here, you will find everything from homes and shops to restaurants and schools, all perched on stilts. As a visitor, you will likely be taken to several tourist spots, including a local silversmith, where you can observe traditional jewelry making techniques and purchase unique pieces. Cloth weavers, who demonstrate the intricate process of creating textiles from lotus flower stems.
Inside to tobacco. This is no tobacco. We call chevrolet leaf. You smell?
A cigarette workshop, where you can witness the manufacturing process and even sample the product, obviously, only if you smoke. While these venues cater primarily to tourists, you can also explore more authentic local experiences. One highlight is the In Tain Pang Do O Pagoda, featuring hundreds of small stupas. Or a nearby market brimming with fresh, delicious fruits and vegetables. If you find yourself in the region, embarking on a trek from Kolo to Inle Lake is an adventure not to be missed. However, be prepared. It's a challenging journey of about 40 kilometers over 3 days, navigating the intense sun and chilly nights. The first day brought unexpected surprises, including a tiny scooter ride to reach the nearest village after our planned bus failed to show up. Our next bus to Kallo was meant for 9 passengers, but somehow accommodated 18, with 2 extra sitting on the roof. We then navigated through and out of the town, following clear guide markers on the rocks that led us along various paths. Along the way, we encountered locals harvesting ginger and small chili peppers. And we concluded the day by staying with a welcoming family who generously shared their life stories and prepared a delicious dinner for us. Day 2, we started with a healthy and tasty breakfast, after which we rushed through the villages looking at the red blankets of drying peppers. Continuing to see the colorful local market where locals can buy anything they need: tools, baskets, fruits, vegetables, meat and spices, and even fix some stuff. After a refreshing break by the river, where we were joined by the local children tending to their bulls, we pressed on to our destination, rewarded by stunning views and the sight of locals finishing a hard day of work. On our final day, we visited a local monastery before the long trek continued. We walked and walked and walked and walked until at last we reached the lake and rented a boat. Our reward? A well-deserved rest at a local winery, complete with, unfortunately, not so delightful wine tasting. Overall, the trip to Inle Lake was a captivating experience, offering a blend of breathtaking scenery and a rich cultural encounters that is essential for anyone traveling in Myanmar. Until next time!